I got it. I got that damn squirrel. Oh, it's still alive. Robert Squirrel. Hello, truckers. Welcome to Tales from the Truck. I'm about to tell you a ghastly story. It was a dark night, much like this one, and an old trucking buddy of mine named Curtis was going down the road, and he decided to stop in for gas because the tank was getting real low. And he pulled up to Station 3, and the gas was 1313. There wasn't another gas station until 78 more miles. So he went inside, but there was nobody behind the counter. A dark figure came out. Bloodshot eyes and a hook for a hand. He paid for that gas and he got out of there. But he was never seen again. Curtis was a good fella. Legend has it, around the truck stop, never stop at Station 3. And never pay for gas. That's 1313. You just might end up like Curtis. You know, some say he's still out there, trapped in that gas station, but no one's willing to check. So if you think you're brave enough, stop by gas station 3. Buy yourself some gas for 1313. And find Curtis. But only if you're brave enough. Because if you're not careful, it just might get you. Do you want more tales from the truck? Well, come on over to my official page to see all the horrific stories take place. You won't want to miss it. Beep, beep.